We called it 50 Shades of Kiki. I kind of wanted something that represented the small little, I guess, ballroom scene that exists here. It's fun. It's just a palooza, I guess, if you want to put it that way. So as long as it gives you what you feel at the balls that we host or the sessions we do, I think that's good for me. I work with Vogue YYC with my partner Shandy and a few others, and Pink Flamingo's been a vital part for us to even think about doing what we're doing now or even getting close to what we've done so far. I don't know. There's nothing better to me than uplifting BIPOC and then all these other individuals, because where else is that really happening?